Determine the focus and directrix of the parabola. X squared is equal to negative 6y. So, since walay h and k diri, so our vertex is at 0, 0. Our parabola is opening downward, and this is the vertex at 0, 0. So, the axis of symmetry is at x. Okay, vertical ang atong axis of symmetry, which is equal to, kung pila ang value sa h sa vertex, that's our axis of symmetry, which is equal to 0. So you will use this equation, x squared is equal to negative 4cy, since ang ato ang equation is negative sign. Excuse me, so x squared is equal to negative 6y ang given. So this is the value of our 4c or negative 4c. So we could use 4c or negative 4c. Negative 4c is equal to negative 6. So we can divide both sides by negative 4. So negative 6 divide negative 4 is c is equal to 3/2. So since this is positive, we will, and then ang focus is nasa paubos. So, since maubos man ang focus, so mag-minus ta. However, if negative ang sign sa ato, ang c, example, negative 3/2, so mag-plus tas pa doon sa tong focus. So, it's important na lang na all of your c is positive para isa ra ang imuhang hunaon. Pag paubos, negative siya. Since our axis of symmetry is at 0, so we know the h is equal to 0. So, stay put ra ang sa atong focus nga value, which is 0 ra gyapon na siya, kay same ra ang axis of symmetry o ang yang h in this parabola. So, subtract k minus c, so 0 minus negative 1.5, so our focus is at negative 1.5. So, if you count that, so from vertex, count 1.5 to somewhere here ang atong focus. 0 and negative 1.5. Always draw your parabola para mas dali siya ma-distinguish ang inyong mga points. So, since we subtract here, so baliktad for the directrix. Since nasa pataas man ang directrix, our directrix is above our vertex, so we will add c there. So k plus c is equal to, our directrix is horizontal, so we expect it at y. Y is equal to 0 plus 1.5, so our y is equal to 1.5. So we got our focus, check, directrix, check. So this is the focus, this is the directrix. So this is the graph of our equation. X squared is equal to negative 6y. So since this is negative sign, we expect our parabola is opening downward, just like this one. Vertex is at 0, 0. Axis of symmetry is at x equal to 0. And then c is equal to 1.5. So from vertex, count 1.5 paubos, since ang focus is paubos. Kung asang opening of our parabola, dito pod ang ato ang focus. Our parabola always devours its focus. And then, from the vertex, count 1.5 to determine the directrix. So, directrix is at y is equal to 1.5.